Good morning to one and all. This is Amruta from Food Chemistry. Today I am going to make you understand a very simple yet healthy recipe, which is the tomato upma. It is generally made for the breakfast time and it is very yummy and delicious, and it is done within few minutes. So you can always try this whenever you are trying to make a breakfast recipe. For that we require simple ingredients. I have taken 200 grams of rava. This is the very fine rava you get easily from the market. It is also known as some chiruti soji in their terms. I am going to use little bit of curd to make that flavors. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd. 2 chilies. I have chopped this in some different way. So you can see this. So our upma is mainly of tomatoes. So I have taken nice fresh and red tomatoes. These are 2 tomatoes finely chopped. And some amount of coriander leaves. That is also finely chopped. So let's get started with the recipe. For making the upma, I have taken one kadhai. Turn on the gas. Once the kadhai is heated up, you have to put oil. So I am using very little amount of oil. I will be using 2 small tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated up. Once the oil is heated up, you can put jeera. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it pop nicely. I have put the tomatoes now. Let them cook nicely into the oil. In order to make the tomatoes cook well, it's now time to put little bit of salt. So I am taking 1.5 small tablespoon of salt and I will mix them nicely so that the tomatoes get cooked really well. It's time to check the tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now I will put the other ingredients. Chilies. Mix it well. Let it cook for some time. I have put the curd into this puree. Now I am letting it cook for some time. Curd will give very nice texture and flavor to the tomato upma, so don't forget to add it. Now it's time to add the rava, that is the chiruti soji in other words. Simultaneously, I have made hot water ready so that it will be mixed into this. You can also make use of cold water, but hot water will make this rava, this tomato upma really nice. So it is recommended. I am slowly putting this hot water into the tomato upma. You can maintain the consistency. If you want very smooth, then you can pour more water. Look at the colors and the texture of the upma. You have to keep stirring it because it will form a very thick dough. So keep stirring it properly until it absorbs all the water. I have mixed it very nicely and you can see the tomato upma has turned out really nice and is looking delicious. Now I am going to serve this tomato upma. I am going to make a special serving this time. I am going to use this, you can say, as a mold. You can see this. I am going to put this into this mold. The mold will take nice floral shape of it. Generally this was done from my mom, so I learned from her. You have to fill the entire mold so that you get nice shape. So my tomato upma you can see with the nice floral shape. I will garnish it with nice coriander. Wow, just amazing. The colors are so amazing and it is looking so delicious. So join me for tomato upma today. Thank you for watching Food Chemistry by Amruta. Remain healthy, stay healthy, and please support and subscribe to my channel.